410 Line Dancers would like to announce the winners of the 2020 Distinguished Dancer Award for Excellence in Soul Line Dancing. These awards will be given on Saturday, December 5th, 2020 at our annual Customer Appreciation and Awards event. This award is given in recognition of students that support our company goals, core values, our events, our travel, our performances, contribute to our positive culture, demonstrate perseverance, improvement, and a mastery of the dancing material. The winners of the 2020 Distinguished Dancer Award for Excellence in Soul Line Dancing are Cherise Nomo Drama Stevenson, Angela Ladybug Van, Tina Lady T Thompson, Sandy Mama Steel Steele, Julie Jules Turner, Karen Puddendally, Kashayla Lady K Moy, Pamela PDH Toes Downing Houston, Walter Pop Up Sullivan, AJ Shoddy Tutu Step Fuller. We would like to say congratulations and great job to our winners. No clicks, no drama, just great dancing. www.410linedancers.com